if you want to have such beautiful bedding for your worm to apply it or to feed your vermi, to have a vermicompost, then you can do this simple steps. First, you need to get your kitchen scraps, then chop it into small pieces, then you select area in your garden which is shaded to lay your kitchen scrap on layers. Then if you have additional it's optional like chicken droppings or pigeon droppings or rabbit droppings or cow manure, aged cow manure, you can use all that, spread it like layers top of your kitchen scraps. Then you cover it with the wood wood chips or with leaves. Then you have to wet it with water. Then every now and then you need to turn it over, like every 2-3 days, turn it over. We are using the kitchen the chicken droppings and pigeon droppings to increase the volume of breaking down the kitchen scraps. It will turn into compost in a shorter period than if you just use only the kitchen waste or kitchen leftover. In this case, do not put any meat products or milk products or oil products, just the vegetables scraps. Also, if you have extra cardboard or newspaper, you can also shred it and put it there. It will result of good mineral rich for your soil and for your compost. You will be turning your kitchen waste into black gold.